Hey everyone! Today, we're unboxing the JBL Soundgear Clips, your sleek open-ear earbuds that keep your music close, your hands free, and your ears open to happenings around you. They're comfy, stable, and stylish, with premium finishes in trendy colors. Let's check out the key features. Let's first take a look at what's in the box. You'll find the Soundgear Clips earbuds, a charging case, and a quick start guide. To start pairing, simply place the headphones in the charging case. They'll automatically enter Bluetooth pairing mode, and you can select them from the Bluetooth menu on your device. To get the most out of your JBL Soundgear Clips, complete the setup with the JBL Headphones app. Just scan the QR code in the quick start guide or right here. Download the app to take full advantage of all the features. This allows you to customize the gestures for controlling your music and calls. You can also adjust the EQ and save it to your liking. Use the controls on the earbuds to adjust the volume. Tap once to play or pause, 2 taps to skip a song, 3 taps to go back. They pause automatically when placed in the case and resume where you left off as soon as you take them out. When making a call, the AI algorithm reduces background noise so your voice is crystal clear, even in the wind. For a multi-point Bluetooth connection, tap one of your earbuds once and then hold for 5 seconds. You can connect a maximum of 2 devices at the same time. The JBL Soundgear Clips give you up to 8 hours of playtime on a single charge, plus 3 full recharges from the case. In a hurry? Just 10 minutes of charging gives you up to 3 hours of music. Don't let a few drops of water hurt your vibe during a walk or workout. The JBL Soundgear Clips are IP54 rated for water and dust resistance.